This is my cat Rascal. I just washed my hands. Now Rascal is washing his. I cannot figure this out. He loves water. He's fascinated by the shower. He likes to sleep in the bathtub. And he likes to go into the sink and wash his paws like I wash my hands. This is Rascal. Rascal is washing his hands. Rascal, what are you doing in the sink? Now you're going to get water all over the bathroom when you shake your paws out. Ha! I never heard of a cat that likes water like this cat does. More tricks to come. Rascal is a very intelligent, smart cat. He knows how to do some things already. Those are to come. He's done washing. Oh, he just flicked water all over me. Rascal! Rascal, you done? Okay. Looks like Rascal's done washing himself. Okay. Goodbye.